National Novel Writing Month has officially started. Nanowrimo, where authors around the world attempt to write a novel, or at least 50,000 words of one, in 30 days. I've participated in Nano for the last 4 years, and I always find it incredibly fitting that the night before it starts is Halloween. A day built around fear. As far as I'm concerned, the witches and the vampires and the scary movies and shows have nothing on what we face when we sit down on November 1st. The blank page. The problem, I'm sure, is that I don't plot ahead of time. I've tried, and I wish that I was a writer that could make an outline and stick to it, but I find that if I spend all that time doing that, the second that I start writing, I veer completely off the plan, and I've wasted all that time. So I just gave up on that. And that means that when I sit down and open a blank page, whether it's the first page or even far in, because like with this Nanowrimo project, I have 25,000 words that I wrote 6 months ago, but I just opened the file again and it's just another blank page to start at. And I don't have any idea what comes. I don't know where the story's going. I don't know where the characters are going to take me. And that is a little terrifying.
Tell me when you're ready. I get always waiting. I learned to love that look, and I can read your signs. You're jumping on the first bus.
The blank page is so terrifying because it holds endless possibilities, and fear is an inevitable part of possibility. But so are excitement and hope. This thing you start could be anything. It could go anywhere. You just have to do it to find out where and what it will be. You have to lean into the fear to get to the other side of it. You just have to start writing. Happy Nano, my fellow writers. Good luck.
Wishing